Hello everyone, welcome to Good Morning Electrical. So dear students, Good Morning Electrical is an educational institute which provides free education online as well as offline in both mode. So dear students, Good Morning Electrical is a one-stop solution for all railway examinations. Yes dear students. So dear students, today we are going to discuss all about railway examination updates. Yes dear students, railway examination updates playlist. Yes dear students, today we have created one playlist and give the name of that playlist is railway examination updates. So dear students, in this playlist we are going to add the contents. Yes, we are going to add contents, uh, all railway examination job updates. Yes, we are going to create that type of contents, and also how to fill exam form. Yes, railway exam form and other competitive exam form through your mobile phone or your laptop or your desktop. If you feel difficulty like how to convert image in such a size or your signature, whatever the difficulty you feel, yes, in fill the exam form, all information we are going to cover from zero to advanced level. Yes, then dear students, railway examination preparation strategy, how to prepare in mathematics. Yes, and your general intelligence and reasoning, and your general awareness, and your journals general science, and other subjects, how to prepare each and everything we are going to cover in this preparation strategy. How to course cover, how to revise, how to give test, how to analysis of test, how to optimization, everything we are going to cover in this preparation strategy. Yes, and according to, if you are job going student, then we are going to prepare for you different strategy. If you are college going students, then different strategy for you. If you are full time preparing for railway examination, then different strategy for you. And if you are from different things, if you are from diploma students, uh, ITI students, 12th pass students, 10th pass students, BTech students, MTech students, MBA students, and also medical students, then for different students we are going to prepare especially for you different railway examination preparation strategy. Yes, in this playlist we are going to cover each and everything. And yes students, we are going to cover how to complete course. Yes, each and every single point. Then your question practice, where you can practice questions, quality questions, all railway examination previous year questions. Yes, then railway examination previous year questions practice. Yes, we are going to provide you each and everything. Yes, all railway examination previous year questions, such as your RRB, your technician examinations, your graduate level examinations, your undergraduate railway examinations. We are going to cover each and everything. Yes, dear friends. Then, dear friends, we are going to prepare a preparation strategy for you, and I am going to giving you advice how you can revise so that all things you can remember in your examinations. Give test. What is the important of test? Analysis of test. Railway, RRV, Railway Recruitment Board is already launched their mock test. So give that mock test, and that mock test is totally free. Yes, give dear that mock test. And dear students, after the giving the test, most important thing, that is analysis of test. Analyze the test. What mistakes you have done? Can you improve that mistake? Yes. If you done calculation mistake, if you done conceptual mistake, if you done you don't know the formula, analyze here and optimize. After the analysis, optimization is more important. Then optimize. If you forgot formula, then Make your formula note, short note. If your calculation is not good, then do practice more question. Yes. And also what you can do more question practice as well as calculate. Not use your calculator, because calculator is available in your CBT 2 examinations. That is called virtual calculator. But in CBT 1 examinations, no calculator is allowed in your examinations. CBT 1 examination. That's why I'm saying calculate from your hand. Take paper and pen and do calculation. That is more important, dear. I'm going to cover each and everything. And dear students, if you are going to comment, if you want doubt clearing sessions, then we will take doubt clearing sessions with the help of Zoom meeting app or Google meeting app, because these two app have two-way conversation possibility. We are going to talk like video calling. Yes, in this video calling, we are going to talk, but one thing is will be there, that is our board. I am going to clear your each and every single doubt, dear. Don't worry. So, dear students, and also we are going to take some motivational sessions with the help of railway examination toppers. My a lot of friends are working in railway examinations. Yes, in railway, they are going to give you tips and tricks how you can prepare, how you can improve each and everything. You can ask your questions, your doubts with them. So, dear students, that is more important. If someone is already cracked that examination, then that person have a next level knowledge, experience, everything. If someone is cracked examination, then that person have only right information. Otherwise, people say like foolish things. They say I have do this thing, I have studied this much hours, and they are doing totally false information, providing, spreading the wrong information in this through the YouTube channel, through other social media, and also you know what, everything. Some persons taking money, and you know what, I'm not interested on those things. Somebody is giving money at all. But please, this is my humble request to all of you. Please don't misguide the students. Please, dear, give right information. Right information is change someone else life, change someone else future. If you are not going to give, then students are depressed. They think, oh, that person is studying 12 hours per day, 16 hours per day, 18 hours per day, but I am not able to preparation, I am not able to give that much amount of time for study. Then how I can crack the examination? A lot of people think same thing. But dear, please don't misguide students. Please, please. This is my humble request to you. When and how to download admit card? Before 10 days, you can download admit cards. But when admit card is available, I am going to inform you through this playlist. I am going to make one video and add on this playlist. And also, how to use railway pass for reservation. If you want to, if you want reservation for your travel for examination, then you can use directly pass, or you can use pass for reservation. Your nearby railway station, you can go and give the pass, and your reservation will happen. And yes, students, whenever normally you are going to uh, take reservations, then They are taking money, but if you are giving them pass, then they are not going to taking money for the reservation, for the railway reservation, for your travel. After examination, how to get examination fees back? So dear students, if you are SC, ST students, then railway pass is for you. After examinations, if you give CBT1 examination, then your payment is refunded in your account. What? Please dear students, if you are filling form, then add your account, then your fees will refund. And also we are going to cover a lot of informations, so that's why I'm saying, dear students, please join Good Morning Electrical Telegram channel for PDF notes, practice questions, and doubt clearing session links, and also a lot of things we are going to share, study materials, everything in this Good Morning Electrical Telegram channel. So, dear students, please join Good Morning Electrical channel, and also you can subscribe Good Morning Electrical channel, and also like video, also share video. And dear students, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, like video, and share with your friends and all social media groups. Thank you.